If you're thinking about picking up the AI niche site blueprint and want some awesome bonuses to go with it, you're in the right place. This video I'm so excited about this product. So I'm really excited to deliver these high quality bonuses to you guys. In this video, I'm actually just going to do a review of the bonuses. If you want a review of the product itself, I did buy the full product. My team is actually implementing this product completely by themselves right now, and they're crushing it. So excited about this strategy. But if you want a full video on the product itself, I can do a separate video on that. I just need to know in the comments because we have a massive backlog of videos that we're creating. So if that's something you want, please do let me know. More than happy to review the product. I am very, very excited about the AI niche site blueprint. It's something that we're not only going to use their strategy, but we're also adapting their strategy for something we were already doing. I'll talk about that here a little bit in the bonuses. So if you want the review, let me know and I'll do that separately. Guys, if you're not familiar with me, my name is Jake. I love doing bonus stacks for people. In fact, our goal is if you ever are buying anything online, we want you to love our bonuses so much that you email us at info@jakethornhill.com. And we are always have the opportunity to either give you a bonus package we've already created for the product that you are buying or create a brand new bonus package just for you. So please do, if you ever consider buying anything at all, contact us and allow us to create an awesome bonus package for you. One of the highest honors of my life, and this happens actually all the time, is people come to us and they say, Jake, I didn't know you had a bonus for this. We bought this product. Can we buy it again and then get your bonuses? And we obviously allow that. But one of the greatest honors is people buying a product twice just so they can get our bonuses. So if you ever, not only for this product, of course, but for any other product, want a crazy good bonus pack, make sure to email us at info@jakethornhill.com. But to claim yours for the AI niche site blueprint, down in the description is going to be a link to the AI niche site blueprint. We could have worked on the name a little bit because that's a mouthful, but the link is going to be down there. If you decide to buy through that link, you email me at info@jakethornhill.com like you see here, and I'm going to send you that bonus. And also just say thank you for choosing to buy through my link. Guys, these bonuses are fire. I'm so excited to share these. Number one is Slide Cash Loophole. Now, I love this strategy so much that I was trying to think of like what bonuses. So when it comes to bonuses, you usually want one of a few things. You want it to be fast. You want it to make the main product faster, easier, cost you less money, or make you more money. So the design of this one is to make you more money. Slide Cash Loophole is a full course, we actually went out and acquired this course. I think it sold for like $1,000 a person. We had to acquire the giveaway rights for it. But it teaches you how to drive traffic through slideshows. So what you can actually do is use the strategy of the AI niche sites, but actually embed your slides. These slides have the ability by themselves to rank in Google. But now you can stick them on all of your AI niche sites, which drives more traffic to the slide deck, but it also drives more traffic to every niche site. And in a matter of seconds, you can have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of posts on autopilot being done for you. And using the combination is going to allow you to drive even more traffic. So we are giving the Slide Cash Loophole course, the full course, if you decide to buy through our link down below. Number two is another full course, which is crazy. We need to chill on some of these bonus packages. It's just like, it's a lot of really good quality stuff. And the best part is it doesn't take a long time to go through these. They are full courses, but they're actually very succinct. This is another one we went out and acquired for you called Hidden Traffic Formula. Again, one of our goals with this bonus package is how do we take the niche sites that you're creating, and you're making these hundreds and hundreds and thousands of blog posts in a matter of seconds with AI. How do we supercharge those? How do we get more traffic to them and allow them to rank faster and easier? And the hidden traffic formula is going to give you extra strategies to drive more traffic and allow more of your articles on your niche site to actually get ranked in Google. Number three is AdSense Mastery. Of course, you don't have to run ads to any of the niche sites that you create, but if you choose to, I want to make sure you know how. So we made a bonus for you on AdSense. Number four is a lead magnet guide. I actually got this from a great affiliate marketer years ago, and got rights to it. It's called a lead magnet guide. So on sites like these, a lot of times, and again, this is a little different in the strategy they teach, but it is how we're implementing it. A lot of times what you want to do with a lead magnet is give an opportunity on any of your blog posts for them to enter an email and in exchange for an awesome gift. So what Lead Magnet Guide does is it teaches the psychology behind a lead magnet. So you don't go pump out a bunch of AI crap that no one wants. You pump out very high quality lead magnets that your ideal customer will give you their email for every single time. And in this, it goes over the psychology and understanding what makes a really good, high quality lead magnet. Now, lastly, our bonus upgrades. Now, I believe you can buy the whole thing in a bundle, or you can buy one piece at a time. You have to buy at least one upsell in order to get these last couple bonuses. All the other bonuses you get just for buying the base product. But if you decide to buy an upsell, we want to incentivize that even more and give you more quality. Now, let's say you go out and start making these AI niche sites, and you've made 10 of them, and all 10 of them are making $300 to $500 a month. Well, there starts to come a point at like 15 of them, 20 of them. You're like, man, I'm making a lot of sites. It would actually make me more money if I just brought somebody on to make sites for me. Hint, hint, exactly what I'm doing. And then manage those sites. Because there's not really much managing, but I guess there are things that they could do to go in and improve them if you wanted them to. But I would probably focus on having them just pumping out more. I think you get more value that way. So this is a small mini course. I think it's only 4 or 5 lessons that teaches you how to go out and hire, just like I did, virtual assistants anywhere in the world and grow your team in an awesome way. And if you start doing this at scale, you won't do this as you're first getting started, but eventually, as you start crushing it, you're going to want to do this. And I want to make sure you have that resource. Finally, I'm losing my voice. Sorry. Been doing a lot of these videos today. Finally, bonus number 6 is make $100,000 a year with Ghost Pages. I love this bonus. I initially did it for a product called Ghost Pages, and it was so good that I started adding it into some other bonus packages because it's a 30-minute Loom video where I go through an entire strategy that I have handed over to one of my team members, and they are going to make us, that one person will make us 6 figures in the upcoming year, and it will stack every year because they're creating these series of assets that will make us money over time. Now, it's kind of an affiliate program, but also an industry. The industry that we go into for this, we are going to use for our AI niche sites as well. It's not our first strategy, but we're going to start doing it eventually. So I thought you can utilize AI niche sites to do this as well. So I wanted to throw this bonus in if you decide to do that. So please do remember, we would love to have you buy through our link, and we can give you these awesome bonuses that I think you are going to absolutely love. And our goal with every bonus package is that you love it so much that every time you go to buy something else online, you email me at info@jakethornhill.com and you say, Jake, I want to buy this. Do you have a bonus pack for it? And I say, yes, we already have one made. Or, hey, give me 30 minutes to let me make one up for you. We've got a ton of products. I love making things. We do custom GPTs. We do Loom videos that are deep level strategy coaching sessions. I have courses for you. I have sometimes ebook master classes. I have so much stuff that is high quality. So please, if you're ever buying something, allow me the honor of creating a bonus pack. You buy through my link, you don't pay any extra, but I'm able to give you so much more value for the exact same cost. So I hope you choose to do that with a link down in the description. Email me at jakethornhill.com once you've made that purchase, and I will get your bonus package sent right over to you. Have a great rest of your day, and make sure to subscribe.